In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the archetype of hero and Ernest Hemingway. What do you think of when you hear the word hero? A firefighter? A soldier? Superman or Batman? Or maybe your mom and dad? Many people will think of the same exact people that you do. Ever wonder why? That's because the hero is an archetype. An archetype is a character that usually has many of the same characteristics, no matter the genre or author. An archetype is easily recognized by most people of a certain culture. For example, most people in our culture would agree that firefighters are heroes. In this lesson, you will be reading works by the author Hemingway. Hemingway changed the archetypal hero somewhat to shape his own desires. We call his hero the Hemingway Code hero. The Hemingway Code hero is always the protagonist of the story. He presents to the world a brave and unemotional front. However, this brave front hides and masks his sensitivity and vulnerability. The Hemingway Code hero lives in the natural world in which he faces the possibility of death and/or emotional and physical wounds at all times. Despite this constant possibility, the Hemingway hero never shows his internal emotions on the outside. It would be impossible to overstate Ernest Hemingway's impact on the literature of the 20th century and beyond. You could almost say that he is a literary hero himself. Numerous writers have tried to copy him with more or less success, including understated emotions and frequently terse, forceful sentences. His suicide in 1961 grieved an entire nation and concluded a life filled with both action and great writing. Hemingway had a very interesting life that influenced his view of the world and therefore his writing. Hemingway joined the Red Cross during World War I and was deployed to Italy, where he was wounded in the leg, an experience mirrored in the short story In Another Country. He was a journalist and a fiction writer. His greatest works include A Farewell to Arms, The Sun Also Rises, and perhaps The Old Man and the Sea. Also a man of action, Hemingway loved fishing in Cuba, big game hunting in Africa, and attending bullfights in Spain. All of these experiences helped shape what you will be studying in this lesson, the Hemingway hero.